Alright, so we're here with John, owner of 2025 MX5, and we're driving this and then an E46 M3. So there was a drive in the 2025 MX5. This is a Grand Touring Forum and 6-speed manual, 2-liter 4-cylinder, a little over 190 horsepower.
181.
181 horsepower. So still a sports car that you can get over 30 miles per gallon in. So thanks for the ride.
Yeah, right now we're 35.9 on this tank.
That's phenomenal for a sports car.
It's amazing.
Yeah, low maintenance, still a blast to drive. Something you take to the track and then to work on Monday.
It's just a fun car. Always puts a smile on your face.
Yes.
And the roof's so hard to put up.
Yeah. All right, so here is John's 2004 E46 M3 in Mystic Blue. This is 333 horsepower out of a 3.2 inline 6-speed manual. List on this was about 56, right, John?
Somewhere around there, yeah.
X5 50E.
Yes,
Right.
An X5. I've got an X5 50E. I've had the Mazda CX5, both the diesel and the gasoline versions.
That's right.
That I got from you guys.
That's right. You kind of said that the X5 50E was a good replacement for this. It's as fast, if not faster.
According to Car and Driver, it's faster, which I find hard to believe. But I've got the 50E has almost 300 horsepower engine and 200 horsepower electric motor.
Yeah.
So it's got instant torque from the electric motor, and then when that engine kicks in, it's got a really nice power curve.
And it's one, I think, in my opinion, one of the best chassis, that X5 chassis.
For an SUV, yeah, that thing, it's
balanced.
It's pretty well balanced.
Yeah.
It's compared to this, the M3, no. Compared to any other SUV I've ever driven,
yes.
The X5 50E is a lot more fun, and it's just a very comfortable car to drive in.
Yeah.
You've driven this one as well. What do you think of this compared to other cars you've driven?
It is a super privilege to be able to drive this. When I started in BMW, these were available, and I almost want to say that I could have maybe possibly afforded this car back then, but it's such a legendary piece of engineering to where everything's analog and more analog than it is today, and you can kind of feel grip. So it's a legendary piece of equipment that I'm honored to be able to drive. But yes, the other day I went home and I didn't know what was, I kind of felt sore in my upper body, but that was from hanging onto the steering wheel and putting it through the gears and then leaning in with a heavier clutch. So it does take a little bit more effort, for sure.
Yeah, it's like the Miata. You're hard pressed to drive this and not smile.
Yes.
But the Miata's at it more to make it more fun. The Miata is easy to make it fun.
Yes.
This car just takes a little bit more work, but for speed and handling, there's still a little bit more reward. It's just a different class than the Miata.
And to the Miata, when you make it dance or put it through its paces, I'm not scared of the Miata. I'm scared of this car, so I have a lot of respect for what it can do and how much trouble you can get in with it.
This car, to get it to 7,500 RPM, goes by very quickly. The Miata gets there pretty well. This just gets there really fast. Oh yeah, I had a friend that I let drive this that hadn't had a lot of experience with it.
But I don't think there's I don't know, it's a pretty iconic sound. So I guess I'd like to say, let's do this again, but as of the taping of this is actually for sale.
Yes.
And I believe it's for around 60-ish or something like that.
Yeah, it's right at 60 now.
So that's a great deal on a legend of analog sports cars.
Only 25,000 miles.
Only 25,000 miles on it, and good service history, of course, and great condition. So you could own a piece of automotive history. This belongs in a museum, but definitely wants to be driven.
It does like to be driven.
So thanks a lot, John, and we'll have to go on another couple of rides.
Sounds good.
Miata.
Sounds like a plan.
Thanks for the ride.